Welcome to topic 4.1.3, Copy and Move Formulas. There are times when you realize that your spreadsheet should have been set up differently. We might need to put some data here in column C where we're calculating our average. So we can copy this formula by just copying the cell, coming over here and pressing Ctrl V. As we notice though, the results have changed dramatically. Instead of having 100,101.7, it's become 15. You'll notice that these letters inside have changed. That's because when you copy a formula by copying the entire cell, Excel tries, or any spreadsheet, in this case it's Google Sheets, tries to be helpful by updating the location. So if you move this number down 4 rows and left or right 2 columns, then instead of taking this average from a 1 to 10, it's going to move that down 4 rows and right 2 columns. So moving 4 rows down from here, that A1 would be A2, 3, 4, 5, right 2 columns, and it's here. So these 10 cells are the ones being included in this average. As we can see, we enter a 1 down here, the number changes, the one below that, it does not change. We enter a number above, and it changes again. But changing this has no effect. So it is copying these. If that is not what you want, there are 2 ways to correct it. The more elegant and preferred way is the topic of a later lesson. For now, you know that if you click on a cell and then click up to the formula bar and highlight the formula and hit Ctrl C to copy there, you can come over here and hit Ctrl V to paste, and that will paste the formula itself. You see we've got some leftover formatting from other things we did on this spreadsheet. But now it's treated not as a complete cell, but as a string of text that was in that formula bar. So that is one kind of clunky way to get that to average. I say clunky because we can now insert rows and delete rows, and we could still break formulas. So there is a better way to do it, which we will see shortly.